Sardinia is the second largest island in Italy and is consistently ranked as one of the most popular tourist destinations in all of Europe. One of the 20 areas that make up Italy is the island of Sardinia, which is the second biggest island in the Mediterranean Sea. It can be found to the west of the Italian peninsula, to the north of Tunisia, and directly to the south of the French island of Corsica. Sardinia is an island with a rich cultural history that is yet mostly unspoiled by urbanization or industrialization. Sardinia is a mountainous island in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea. The island is mostly mountainous, but it does not have any very high peaks, so it provides visitors with a natural setting that is unlike any other. People who adore the ocean and gorgeous beaches, as well as those who are interested in mountaineering, trekking, and other outdoor activities will find themselves in nirvana here. Welcome back to Hotels and Cities, the channel that focuses on great places to visit and worthwhile travel destinations for you and your loved ones. Before we jump into our video, don't forget to click that subscribe button and that bell icon to always be updated on all things travel. Now let's get into it. The most major city on the island of Sardinia is Cagliari, which has a metropolitan area that is home to approximately 500,000 people. The island's main city has a spirit that is made up of its rich history, vibrant culture, beautiful beaches, and exciting nightlife. Visitors are enchanted by the views of Castello, the fortifications, and the Roman remnants, the Sardine Sea, as well as by the energy of a surprisingly busy city. It is this alluring combination that captivates the tourists who come to the city. The vibrant community of Bosa is bisected by the Timo River, which runs through its heart. This village features a number of churches, a few museums, and even some antique tanneries, in addition to the medieval Serravalle Castle, which is also known as the Malaspina Castle. There is a great deal to see in this community. In addition to that, Bosa looks out over the water, and there are a number of sandy beaches in the immediate area. One of the most well-known beaches on the island of Sardinia is located in Stentino. Its name is La Pelosa. There is a lovely stretch of white sand and tranquil turquoise waters along this stretch of coastline, and in the distance you can see the Torre de la Pelosa. On the other hand, the town of Stentino and its port are equally stunning. Furthermore, Stentino is renowned for having some of the tastiest seafood dishes available anywhere on the island. The sea urchin, the octopus, and the clams are always crowd pleasers. On the northern coast of Sardinia, just a short distance from Badisi, is where you'll find the picture-perfect town of Castelsardo. This historic town is most renowned for its ancient castle, but it also has a number of wonderful sandy beaches, making it a relatively strategic stopover between the islands in the east and the west of Sardinia. After over a millennium, the castle that overlooks the entire city, the Gulf, and the port is still in pristine condition, and it is the source of the village's namesake. If the weather is clear, you may even be able to see the island of Corsica from the top of the castle if you take the climb up there. The ancient district of Alghero, which is located on the island of Sardinia, has the atmosphere of a small little town all to itself. It will be difficult to decide whether to spend the day basking in the rays of the sun on the city's tremendously long stretch of beach or exploring the historic stone walls that surround the city. Climbing the walls that were constructed by the Spanish in order to protect against attack by sea is one of the popular things to do as the afternoon turns into evening. After climbing the walls, you can join the locals for an evening promenade along their white bastions and watch the sunset over the Mediterranean. Did you know that there are ski resorts on the island of Sardinia? Because it is located close to some of the highest peaks in Sardinia, the village of Fani is a popular destination for skiing during the winter months. You can go on an adventure across the town and discover its many painted murals on the walls during the warmer months. To get some exercise and breathe in some fresh air, there are a lot of hiking paths in the wooded areas around. On the island of Sardinia, the Costa Smeralda is the destination of choice for luxurious vacations among the world's elite. The diversified coastal area of the Costa Smeralda, which is encircled by the warm and salty seas of the Mediterranean Sea, is home to beachfront resorts, rental villas, boutique hotels, and shopping centers, all while maintaining a harmonious relationship with its breathtaking surroundings. Porto Cervo, a vacation community and harbor for private yachts that was created in the 1960s, serves as the epicenter of all this activity. The resorts transport visitors to remote beaches, which are inaccessible by land. On boats, instead of providing ground transportation, the challenging hiking terrain and stunning vistas at Capo Testa attract a lot of visitors each year. Corsica may be recognized with the assistance of a properly low shoreline and clear weather thanks to its location atop this magnificent tourist destination that is surrounded by water that is clear and translucent. Additionally, there is a collection of odd rock formations that can be seen in their entirety from this vantage point. It is without a doubt the most striking scenery that Sardinia has to offer, and it is a lovely area to take a stroll about. There is no charge to visit any of Capo Testa's beaches, and you do not need to charter a boat in order to get there. The archaeological legacy of Tharos is often considered to be among the most significant and evocative in all of the Mediterranean. It may be found in the western part of Sardinia on the most southern part of the Gulf of Oristano. On this rocky promontory, you may wander through the stone ruins left behind by the Phoenician, Carthaginian, and Roman cultures, and you can try to imagine what the area looked like 2,000 years ago. The Antiquarium Arborense Museum in the city of Oristano is where you can view other examples of the priceless artifacts that were discovered in this area. Sassari is the second largest city on the island of Sardinia. It is a bustling university and cultural center, and it is home to several beautiful buildings designed in the Baroque, Neoclassical, and Catalan Gothic styles. Sassari is a popular tourist destination because it contains a large number of historical structures. In addition, the city is in an excellent location and serves as an excellent home base from which to explore the northern region of Sardinia. It is possible to travel to the coastal regions and discover some beautiful beaches if you depart from this city. The city of Nuoro is perched precariously on a rocky peak, and its winding, narrow alleys offer breathtaking panoramas in every direction. The cathedral, which dates back to the 19th century and is located on top of a cliff that leads down into the valley, has a little plaza in front of it that is almost the only level location in the entire town. The nearby Gennargentu Mountains are some of the most difficult and magnificent highlands in the interior of Sardinia. A suitable base for exploring these mountains and the distant settlements is Nuoro. And there you have it, folks. Which of these locations is your most favorite? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share this with your family and friends. And as always, if you found our videos helpful, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell as well to always be notified whenever we have a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.